All right, this is my 1986 Chevrolet Suburban four-wheel drive that has been relegated to the backyard and turned into a storage shed. As you can see, it makes a great, hello. It makes a great setup for keeping your lawnmower nice and dry. Keep it out the rain. But what we got going today is on this back door. As you can see, it's storage full of stuff. Rain has been getting in here. Oh, wow. You can see that water puddle. Wow. Yeah, it's been getting a lot of rain in there. The gaskets are worn out, so I got some new ones. It's pretty bad up here, so I got to take and get rid of all that. As you can see, I had one of those log things that you put in the fireplace back here, and it's gone. It's shredded. But all through here, you can see this area right along here is where the gaskets are supposed to seat. Or is it down here? I guess it's down here maybe. I'm not real sure. But these are pretty crusty. I mean, that's just pulls right off. Not much to that. Wow, yeah, that's pretty bad. Gotta get a screwdriver here, but these supposed to seal. I guess here. Let's see, where's that supposed to seal at? Crazy dogs chasing birds. Yeah. Oh, I closed up. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Yep, it seals right against that corner. Yeah, that's not sealing at all right there. That's a big old wide gap. Even if you shut this all the way, like you're supposed to, right there, it seals up a little better, but still not that great. So, I got brand new gaskets for this, but first, we got to take these off and paint and clean all this mess up. So that'll be interesting to do. And I did not bring any tools with me in my hand to really show this. Oh, it's got these little plastic things. Plastic bits that hold it in there. Nice. I gotta go and get all those out. Yeah, a little bit of water down here. I gotta get a wire brush. Ooh, this is gonna be work. So maybe what I'll do is I'll just kind of get on some of this and yeah, I got the stuff in there. You guys can go back and look. I've got some other videos of Subzila. Wow, that's just torn up. Oh, a little bit of rust under here. It needs to be busted out. Good paint. About this latch. It does kind of work. I need to work on that latch. I got new rubber bumpers. Sorry, looking too low. Got new rubber bumpers right here. That latch. And then there's another bumper that goes up here. Right there. I got brand new on these too. It's just a screw that holds those in, but these actually look pretty decent. But the door does make some noise. You know, it's got the little switch here for the light to work. I guess this is a plug-in. Some kind, I guess. I don't know what that does. Plugs here. Well, yeah, all this floor it's kind of wet over here. It's not too bad. I think most of it's leaking out on this side because there's a puddle over here. Of course, it's leaning to that side, but yeah, it's nasty. Golly. Poor Subzila. This engineer, you can see, I don't care. People can see my plate. Subzila, Rankin. That's the old plate anyway. But that's what we're working on today. So let me go get some tools and get some of this going. We'll see what happens. All right. That was quick. Could pull some of these out. Oh, those come out pretty easy. It's not too bad. Yeah. That's not that bad. At least it gets all these little bits out. Yeah, I get the point. This top one, it's got the same thing. It all just pops in. Look at that. That's just cracked. I wonder if it's leaking. Ain't nothing will seal that up. Wow. Okay, doesn't even come off in one piece. It just comes apart in bits and pieces. Golly. They just don't make stuff to last anymore. This truck's an 86 or what, 40, almost 40 years old? Yeah. 30 something years old. I ain't trying to math right now. Hold on. Let's see. Let's just get up under here. There we go. Wow. Very dry rotted. And let's see. Let me come up here. Pop those out. All right, sorry about the camera work. I'm sitting looking at what I'm doing. It's a lot harder it looks to pay attention to that. I know I got bad light too, so the sun's kind of in the wrong place, but we're gonna go out to eat in a little bit. And I need to get a wire brush out here and wire wheel all this off real good. But anyway, you guys get the point. I'll do another video once I get this all cleaned up and some paint. And we get these off the door. I'll get another little video up, give you guys an update maybe next week sometime. Maybe tomorrow, because I got to go to work. So I'll be lucky if I just get all this off and cleaned up. I probably won't even have time to paint it, but it's not going to rain this week. So at least I'll get some of this done. Anyway, meanwhile, look at Luke. Luke, what are you getting into? What are you doing, dog? Come here. Yeah, you good boy. You get a stick? You find the stick? Say bye. We get you. He wants to play. All right, we'll see y'all later.